When thunder isn't weather, it's coming for you. In South African folklore, people speak in fear of the lightning bird, also called Impundulu. This enormous bird can summon thunder and lightning with its wings and talons, and is said to serve as the familiar of powerful witches. It feeds on blood, attacks its enemies in darkness, and sometimes even takes the form of a human to lure victims. If the storm seems too alive, it may not be the weather at all. Would you run from the storm or run with it? If this creature electrified your nightmares, like, share, and subscribe, because some dangers come with no warning.